Hello students, once again your Nanda sir is back with a new math problem. Today I am having a topic vector space. In this topic we'll cover three topics: linear combination, linear dependent and linear independent. And this topic also belongs to graduation maths. Either you can say BSc first year or a BA first year. तो ग्रेजुएशन मैथ्स की ये प्रॉब्लम है जो मैं आपके साथ आज डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. वेक्टर स्पेस, टॉपिक नेम, and the three topics are there in that: linear combination, linear dependent and linear independent. Let's start with the first problem. Yes, and the first question is a vector v is given 1 7 minus 4 and they have asked to write the linear combination of the given vector if it possible as a in term of 1 minus 3 2 and 2 minus 1 1. So a vector is given, we need to write a linear combination of this vector as a linear combination of this. So whenever they do say linear combination is feasible or not, what we'll do, we'll suppose let if possible there exist scalars. There exist scalars say alpha and beta such that capital V is equal to alpha time of first vector v1 and beta times of v2. Here let's see what is capital V. Capital V is the given vector that is written as 1 7 minus 4 alpha, and then first v1 it's a 1 minus 3 2 and then it is beta 2 minus 1. And further I can write right hand side as, from the right hand side it's a alpha plus 2 beta minus 3 alpha minus beta 2 alpha plus of beta. So when I do compare this left hand side and right hand side, I will have this first equation and then minus of 3 alpha minus of beta equal to 7 and that is 2 alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4. आप देख सकते हो now we are having three equations, but as there are only two variables involving in these three equations, we don't require all three equations. We'll just simplify by taking any of the two equations. So for simplifying this, we'll apply the method of elimination. हम पहली वाली इक्वेशन को -3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, -3 अल्फा माइनस ऑफ 6 बीटा माइनस ऑफ 3. सेकेंड को एज इट इज लिख रहे हैं एंड देन एलिमिनेशन में आप जानते हो साइन चेंज होंगे, नेगेटिव बिकम पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव बिकम पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव बिकम नेगेटिव. So it get cancel out. This gives you minus of 7 beta. I'm sorry, not minus. So this gives you minus of 5 beta minus of 10 and this gives me beta 2. So after having beta, substituting value of beta back in the first equation, you can see this equation. So I will have alpha plus 4 equal to 1, then alpha is equal to minus 3. See alpha and beta. If in the end I am able to have the value of scalars, it means yes, what we can write, a linear combination is possible. We can write linear combination is possible, and it is written as capital V is equal to alpha times of V1 plus beta, that is twice of v2. This is the required linear combination of the given vector in term of the given vectors. Let's take another example. Yes, the next question is a vector 2 minus 5 3 can be written as, it's given, is the vector this is written as linear combination of these vector. So they are asking a question कि whether we can write. So what we can say, if possible, let there exist scalars alpha, beta, gamma such that capital V is equal to alpha of V1, beta of V2, gamma of V3. In case if on framing a three equations we are able to find this alpha, beta, gamma, then we can say yes, it's possible, or nahi, then otherwise it's not. So what is capital V? It's a 2 minus 5 3. It's a alpha time of first vector. It's a 1 minus 3 2 plus beta time of second vector, that is 2 minus 4 minus 1, and it's a gamma times of third vector, that is 1 minus 5 and 7. So if I simplify right hand side, then I will have alpha plus 2 beta plus gamma, comma, minus of 3 alpha minus of 4 beta minus of 5 gamma, that is of 2 alpha minus of beta plus 7 gamma. And now what we'll do, compare left to with left and right with the right, and we'll have a first equation alpha plus 2 beta plus gamma, that is equal to 2 minus 3 alpha minus of 4 beta minus of 5 gamma, that is equal to minus 5, that is of 2 alpha minus beta 7 gamma, that is equal to 3. Three equations. Now solving these three equations by using method of elimination that we have done in lower classes. See, it's a alpha is 2, we are having 3, so we'll multiply the first equation by 3. It's a 3 of alpha, 6 of beta, 3 of gamma equal to 6. It's minus 3 of alpha, minus 4 of beta, minus 5 of gamma, minus of 5. Just adding, this gives me 2 beta and this gives me minus of 2 gamma is 1. This is the new equation. Now I multiply the second equation by this one by 2 and this one by 3. Second को अगर मैं 2 से multiply करूँगा, then I'm going to have minus of 6 alpha minus of 8 beta minus of 10 gamma equal to minus 10, and I'll multiply with 3. This gives me 6 of alpha minus 3 of beta plus 21 gamma is equal to 9. Simply add करेंगे, it's a minus of 11 beta plus of 11 gamma minus of 1. Now you can see these two equations, this one and this one, are in two variable, or I can write this equation as beta minus gamma is equal to 1 by 2, or I can write the other equation as beta plus gamma is equal to minus 1 by 11. फ्रॉम दीज टू, आप देख सकते हो इफ आई डू द एडिशन, अगर मैं इन दोनों को ऐड करता हूं सिंपली, सो बोथ माई बीटा एंड गामा गेट कैंसल आउट. इट मीन्स आई कैन नॉट सॉल्व these two equation. I cannot solve these two equations. So I can't have the value of beta and gamma. If I am not having a value of beta and gamma, so it means I am not able to have the value of a beta, gamma as well as a alpha. If I can't solve, so in that case I supposed to write the linear combination is not possible. That linear combination is not possible, क्योंकि हमारे पास as we are not able to have the value of alpha, beta, gamma from the given equation, so that's why we can say the given vector can't be expressed as a linear combination of the given vector. Let's see what's the next question. And the next question is, we need to discuss whether the given vectors are linearly independent or linearly dependent. Whether the given vectors are linearly independent or linearly dependent. See, 3 vectors are given to us, 1 to 3. We need to check whether the vectors are linearly dependent or linearly independent. So there are 2 methods to discuss whether the vectors are linearly dependent and linearly independent. The one is called determinant method. So let me discuss first determinant method, and then I'll discuss linear combination method also. In determinant method, we'll write the first vector as a first row, second vector as a second row, and third vector as a third row. So after that, we'll expand it by using plus, minus, plus. First we write for the plus 2, and then it's a for minus 1, and then for 0. जब हम 2 की बात करेंगे तो आप देख सकते हो इस 2 के लिए ये रो और ये कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो हमारे पास जो है ऑन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी आर गोइंग टू हैव -2 एंड दैट इज -2. 1 के लिए इट्स अ माइनस माइनस ऑलरेडी बिकॉज इट्स अ माइनस माइनस बिकम +1 एंड इट्स अ -1 एंड दैट बिकम 0 आल्सो. 0 के लिए वॉट एवर यू राइट, क्योंकि बाहर 0 है तो वो कंट्रीब्यूट ही नहीं करेगा, वो 0 ही हो जाएगा. एंड दिस गिव्स मी 2 to the 4 -8 एंड दिस गिव्स मी -1, इट्स अ -7. सो माई डिटर्मिनेंट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. सो आपको सिर्फ यही चेक करना है कि क्या आपका डिटर्मिनेंट 0 आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा. अगर आपका डिटर्मिनेंट 0 आ रहा है, आई एम सॉरी स्टूडेंट, इट्स -8 -7, दैट बिकम -9, मिस्टेकनली रिटन. इट्स -9, दैट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. और अगर आपका डिटर्मिनेंट 0 नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है, इन दैट केस यू विल से द गिवन वेक्टर्स आर लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट. द गिवन वेक्टर्स आर लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट. और अगर ये 0 आ जाता, इफ आई एम राइटिंग if determinant is equal to 0, then vectors will named as linearly dependent. ठीक है, तो ध्यान रखेंगे आप, दिस इज द मेथड, डिटर्मिनेंट मेथड. और अगर आपको दूसरा मेथड करना है, by the second method you want to show that the vectors are linearly dependent or linearly independent. So what will write, alpha time of first vector, beta time of second vector, gamma times of third vector equal to 0. And then it's alpha time of first vector, that is 2 -1 0, beta time of second vector, that is 1 2 1, and gamma times of third vector, that is 0 2 and -1 equal to 0. Then we'll have a 2 alpha plus beta equal to 0 first equation, and we have a minus alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 of gamma equal to 0 second, and we are having it's a beta minus of gamma equal to 0. 3 equations. Now solving these 3 equations, let's see what's the value of alpha, beta, gamma we are having. See this first equation and second equation. Second को मैं 2 से multiply करूँगा पहले, so that my alpha gets eliminated. It's a minus of 2 alpha plus of 4 beta plus 4 gamma equal to 0, and it is 2 alpha plus beta equal to 0. Adding, this gives me 5 of beta plus 4 of gamma equal to 0. Now solving this equation and this equation together, I multiply this equation by 5. This gives me 5 beta, 5 gamma equal to 0, and this gives me 5 beta plus of 4 gamma equal to 0. So beta get cancel out. So whatever the gamma, I will have equal to 0. So gamma 0 implies beta 0, beta 0 implies alpha 0. So if I am getting all scalars equal to 0, please student ध्यान दीजिएगा, if your all scalars are 0, if all scalars are 0, then we can say the given vectors are linearly independent. The given vectors are linearly independent, right? Or if all scalars are not equal to 0, then the vector will be named as a linearly dependent. Let's see what the next problem is. Next question is, find the value of k so that the vectors are given linearly dependent. As it is given the vectors are linearly dependent, so आप जानते हो कि determinant जो होगा that is always equal to 0. So हमें कुछ नहीं करना, सिर्फ इसको determinant फॉर्म में लिखना है. It's a 1, -1, 3. It's a 1, 2 and -2, and it is a k, 0 and 1. इसका determinant equal to 0. And now we'll solve it as plus minus plus. पहले हम किसके लिए expand करेंगे? We'll write for 1, and then we write for minus minus become plus 1, and then we write for 3. 1 के लिए जब solve करेंगे, because it's dependent, it's equal to 0. This gives me 2 minus of 0. Minus 1 के लिए करेंगे, this gives you 1 plus of 2k. और 3 के लिए करेंगे, this gives you 0 minus of 2k. So it's a 2, 1 plus 2k minus of 6k equal to 0. This gives you 3 minus of 4k equal to 0, and you can write 4k equal to 3, and this gives you k is equal to nothing but 3 by 4. So this is the required value of k for which the vectors are linearly dependent. Let's see what's the next question. स्टूडेंट, आप ऐसे ही बहुत सारे और भी एग्जांपल्स और प्रॉब्लम्स आपके साथ बुक्स में, टेक्स्ट बुक्स में दिए हुए हैं. कंसेप्ट मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस कर दिया. आई हैव डिस्कस द कंसेप्ट ऑफ लीनियर डिपेंडेंट, लीनियर इंडिपेंडेंट, लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन विद यू. होप कि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए, चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब करिए, कमेंट करिए क्या चीज़ आप इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहते हैं. इट्स योर सजेशंस always be most welcome. That's it from my side. Thank you.